It's not going to feel like fall, Jeff. It technically turns fall tonight, right?
Yeah, at 8 o'clock, it will be fall, but you'll stare at the calendar and wonder where fall is because it's not really showing up until next week. But right now, 72 degrees. It's a pleasant morning, not much wind at all. The dew point is at 61, so not the humidity not so bad. We do expect these temperatures in the low 70s to warm up quite a bit today, though. We'll have this relatively dry air, compared to summertime air, and sunshine, get the temperatures all the way up into the upper 90s. So there's going to be a big jump in temperature, and by afternoon, just a hot summer-like day. And you can see we're really closer to record highs over the next several days than we are to anything typical this time of year, which would be in the upper 80s. No, we're talking about temperatures in the upper 90s all the way into the weekend, and even Sunday will still be into the mid-90s. High pressure sitting right over us, so the rain is going around this high pressure dome and all this sinking air. Notice as it juts away off to the west, we're talking about some cooler air getting in here. The rain chances for Sunday with a cold front coming through are really, really small. We put it at 10% chance. So it's probably going to be dry for you when the front comes through. But look at the dew points. Sunday morning, they're in the 60s. Monday morning, they'll be in the 30s, so you will certainly notice the cooler air coming in. Next 10 days, you see the temperatures, because of the front coming through, drop. And that's more like fall. That's temperatures in the 80s next work week. You know what else we'll be talking about all next week? Is this right here. This could be Hermine or it could be Ian, kind of depending what happens with the system off the coast of Africa. It might become a hurricane first. I think it becomes a hurricane over the weekend somewhere around here. And where it goes, once it gets into the Gulf of Mexico, we do not know yet. So stay tuned. This one is the first one to really threaten the United States. Now, we have temperatures in the upper 90s next 4 days and dry weather, and it's going to be pretty much a dry cold front that comes through. But do look forward to Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday with highs in the 80s and very dry air. Why does that almost sound romantic at this time?
It does.